Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Sandbank, which is just next to Bournemouth. If you've never been here before, it's very beautiful. We've got an amazing beach and it's also got loads of million pound houses. So we're going to try and find the most expensive house and go and have a look at the beach. So come on, let's go.
Yo, Itsajackslife, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. Itsajackslife, adventure's great.
There's the famous Sandbanks Hotel. It's a good place to start our tour. It's a really nice hotel actually. And then we're going to head down this way and go round here. We'll go look at the beach at the end and then go check out the £1 million houses down there. In fact, I think we'll pass them en route down here anyway, but loads down there. Just to point out reference in the distance, that's Bournemouth Islands. You see the little castle, and then this is your little, is it an oxbow lake? I'm trying to remember from geography, but you get to see two sides here. Very, very pretty. Absolutely beautiful day. Check out Sandbanks. Hope it picks you up on the camera how clear the water is. It is only shallow here, but still nice to see. I think Sandbanks and Bournemouth and all the places around here, I think they all get a blue flag award for the cleanliness of the beaches and the water. You can see why. Some construction going on this one, refurbing it. This top end, they're a mix of, I think these ones are mainly flats and apartments, and then you get to the houses down the bottom. Amazing place to have your property though. Beautiful view to see. This house over here, just behind these, Bentley on the driveway. Seems appropriate. Would you expect anything else? Although this guy's got a Mazda 3, it's surprising. New build going up here. Then we're just coming up to my favourite house when I was a kid and used to drive past. I think it still is a pretty good looking house. I think it's number 59. I'm not mistaken. Here we go. Tell me that's not a good looking house. Very American looking maybe. Very cool, nice palm trees in the front. a bit more than mine. It's just on the other side of the road now. I've noticed these like landscape gardens, I suppose you'd call them. Let's go for an explore through here. I see beach huts. I thought this might lead to the beach. I'm not sure it does, but I suppose it's more fun than walking along the busy road. Does it go around? So just found this beach path. This is nice. And then to the side here we've got a big crazy golf and a play area, although it looks like it might be closed off now, maybe for construction. Let's go check out the seafront. Lovely sand dunes to the side here. And then we've got Sandbanks Beach. Keep off the rocks, beware of strong currents. If you've never been to Sandbanks Beach, it really is beautiful. Here we go, just coming up to the end of this little jetty. Have a little look at the water. Do you reckon the waves are going to get me? Uh-oh! Getting closer. So looking up that way, that looks up towards Bournemouth and Bournemouth Pier. You didn't see that, but in the right hand corner of my sight there was a big splash that nearly got me. So that goes up to Bournemouth. These are all the chines along here, and then obviously we've got Sandbanks itself, which goes all the way down there as far as you can see, really. It's probably quite difficult to see as it's a little bit far away. Can I zoom in? Over there you've got Old Harry, that the headland that comes out, and there you've got that stack. That's Old Harry and his wife. He's still there but in the ocean. She's now a stump these days. Bless her. Right, let's go this way, check out the rest of the Sandbanks. So we've got all these beach huts to the side. Looks like some construction work going on. I wonder what they're building there. Let's go and find out if we can. So this is Panorama Road. So let's see if we can see any of the nice big houses. Most of them are behind walls though, so I'm not sure how much we're going to be able to see. They've all got cool names as well, like Harbour Watch, Shorehaven. I think the most expensive one's called the Seafarer. I'm not actually sure where that is, but I'll put a Rightmove advert up so you can see how nice it is. Construction going on over on that one. There's a lot of works going on. But nice area to walk around nonetheless. Harbourside house. They're all having works done by the looks of it. I'd love to see the views out the back of the houses over the harbour. Water's Edge. So that completes my tour of Sandbanks. I hope you all enjoyed it. As always, please do like and comment on the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Sky high vibes, tracks down low, jet set living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.